MOLWENI NONKE. Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today's DIY is inspired by this lovely LED wall sconces that I saw on Pinterest as well as on AliExpress. I hope you are going to enjoy this DIY. Let's make a wall lamp using a wine box. Basically, I will be making a rectangle wall sconce and I will be cutting off the rectangle shape from this wine box. As I'm cutting this box, I am reminded of a movie that I watched when I was young, years ago. Before I can give you the name of the movie, I'm just going to paraphrase a line from this movie script to see if you can remember before I can give you the name. So the quote for the movie goes something like this: you drove around in a broken down minivan and you drank red wine from a box. The name of the movie is Monster-in-Law. If you have guessed it correctly, congratulations. Monster-in-Law is one of the best classic romantic comedy movie ever made. It is starring Jennifer Lopez and I love it so much. The funny thing for me in that script is the expression actually from the mother-in-law when the helper said that. And you know, I was very young when I heard that, and I could read that drinking wine from a box is actually for the low class and is very cheap. So that is what I'm always reminded of when I see wine from a box or a box of wine. Lesson that I learned from that script was that we must always be grounded, humble, and not forget where we come from. You know, our humble beginnings are very important. Anyways, let us get back to the DIY. So I noticed that the wine box is not strong enough, so I decided to cut pieces from cardboard, and then I also covered those pieces using a wrapping paper because I didn't have contact or adhesive paper. So I'm also using contact glue to adhere the box pieces on the wine box. You are finding value in this video, please make sure that you subscribe. If you haven't, click the bell icon, like, and leave a comment. Now the wine box is strong and solid. We're done with the interior. We're now going to focus with the exterior. So I'm going to be using acrylic black paint. So I'm actually doing a first coat. Once it dries up, I'm going to do a second coat just to cover the front as well as the sides of the box, because the back will not be showing. If you have a contact paper, it will be much easier to just cover the whole box with contact paper, but I did not have a contact paper, so that is why I opted to painting. But also painting is also not a bad idea, and I actually wanted that black matte look, since the gift wrapping paper that I used on the interior was a bit shiny. So the acrylic paint did help me achieve what I wanted. Now moving on to the next step, I will be using gold straws. Now as you can see, this is a different setting because I was going to use the straws on a different project, and that was an epic fail. I then decided to use these straws because they didn't work out on this canvas. I decided to use them on this DIY. So I am going to be showing you this DIY, or what I did with the canvas that you see on the floor, on my next video. Please be on the lookout, or please click the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm going to let you watch the rest of the video, so bye for now.